Alright, fellow Pyros, back again. Another update. This is getting close to the end of June 2019. So we're getting close to 4th of July for the year. I was fortunate enough to have been running around lately and find some cool things. I found a bunch of these megaton bottle rockets. So I grabbed a ton of them. These are some of the better bottle rockets you'll ever shoot if you can find them. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed in them. I got another box of the Thunder Clap rockets. These are the old premium brand. Picked up 2 boxes of the Bam Bam tubes. I got a Rambo Kid kit. This is a 6-piece kit. Does have the older, like, canister soccer ball style ball shells in it, or canister shells, I should say. Grabbed a little DC cake. I grabbed a 13-shot Red Dawn. This is actually on sale for $10. So I figured, what the hell. It's not huge, but it's a nice little 500-gram cake. I picked up half a case of the new Thunderdogs. And instead of being red, white, and blue, you're getting these on the side now. And we shot one of these off earlier, actually, out of another box, out of the case. And they're pretty impressive. I'd grab them if I could find them. I'm glad I have a bunch of them there. So yeah, quick little pickup. We're getting close to the 4th of July. Hope all you guys are getting ready. And look forward to seeing your stashes and stash updates. And I'm out for now.